Question number 1. A positive charge moves from a point at higher potential to a point at lower potential. The potential energy of the charge. The correct answer is option B, decreases. Question number 2. When a dielectric material is inserted between the plates of a capacitor, the capacitance. The correct answer is option A, increases. Question number 3. Coulomb's law for electrostatic force between two charges is analogous to which law of gravitation? The correct answer is option D, Newton's law of universal gravitation. Question number 4. The potential energy of an electric dipole in a uniform electric field is minimum when? The correct answer is option A. The dipole is parallel to the field. Question number 5. Which of the following is true about conductors in electrostatic equilibrium? The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 6. Two charges of equal magnitude but opposite sign are placed near each other. The electric field lines. The correct answer is B. Start from the positive charge and end at the negative charge. Question number 7. In an electric field, the force on a test charge is always. The correct answer is option A, in the direction of the electric field if the charge is positive. Question number 8. What happens to the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor if the area of the plates is double and the distance between them is half? The correct answer is option D. Question number 9. The force between two charges is inversely proportional to. The correct answer is option A, the square of the distance between them. Question number 10. An electric dipole placed in a non-uniform electric field experiences. The correct answer is option A force and a torque. Question number 11. The capacitance of a system does not depend on. The correct answer is option D, the charge on the conductors. Question number 12. The electric potential at a point on the perpendicular bisector of a dipole is. The correct answer is option A, 0. Question number 13. Gauss's law states that the electric flux through a closed surface is proportional to. The correct answer is option A, the net charge enclosed within the surface. Question number 14. The work done is in moving a charge between 2 points in an electric field depends on. The correct answer is option B, the charge moved in the potential difference between the points. Question number 15. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? The correct answer is option C, electric potential. Question number 16. The electric flux through a closed surface is 0 when? The correct answer is option A, the net charge enclosed is 0. Question number 17. In the case of an electric dipole, the electric field at a point on the axial line is. The correct answer is option C, inversely proportional to the cube of the distance. Question number 18. A point charge is placed at the center of a spherical Gaussian surface. The electric flux through the surface depends on. The correct answer is option B, the charge at the center. Question number 19. Electric potential at a point due to a point charge is. The correct answer is option A, inversely proportional to the distance from the charge. Question number 20. The energy stored in a capacitor is. The correct answer is option C, directly proportional to the square of the charge on the capacitor. Question number 21. When a dielectric is placed in a capacitor, the electric field. The correct answer is option C, decreases. Question number 22. If a point charge is placed at the center of a conducting hollow sphere, the electric field inside the conductor is. The correct answer is option B, 0. Question number 23. The capacitance of a capacitor is universally proportional to. The correct answer is option B, the distance between the plates. Question number 24. In the presence of an electric field, a conductor is said to be in electrostatic equilibrium when. The correct answer is option A. There is no moment of charge within the conductor. Question number 25. The direction of the electric field at a point is. The correct answer is option A. And the direction of the potential gradient. Question number 26. Two identical charges are placed at a certain distance apart. If the distance between them is double the force between them. The correct answer is option C, becomes 1/4. Question number 27. The electric field inside a hollow charged spherical conductor is. The correct answer is option A, 0. Question number 28. The capacitance of a system of conductors depends on. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 29. If a positive charge is moved in the direction of an electric field, its potential energy. The correct answer is option B, decreases. Question number 30. When the distance between two charges is halved, the electric potential energy between them. The correct answer is option D, becomes 4 times. Thanks for watching.